Hello students, our today's topic is assign tax code for non-taxable transaction. Define an input tax code and output tax code for each company code to be used for posting non-taxable transactions to tax relevant account. Such transactions include, for example, goods issue for delivery, goods movement, goods receipt for purchase order, goods receipt for production order, and order settlement. The length and configuration of your jurisdiction codes for your non-taxable transaction must match the length and configuration of the tax jurisdiction code as defined using the specified structure for tax jurisdiction code. That is transaction OBCO configuration step. The way to check for this configuration step works the same way as it does for the specified structure for tax jurisdiction code configuration step. For that, we can use transaction code OBCL or bypass SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, financial accounting global settings, tax on sales of purchases, posting, assign tax code for non-taxable transaction. तो SAP में हम डिफाइन करते हैं नॉन टैक्सेबल ट्रांजैक्शन के लिए टैक्स कोड. SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, financial accounting global setting, tax on sales or purchases, posting, assign tax code for non-taxable transaction. Click on position, enter our company code. Already our company code had a हमारे कंपनी कोड को इनपुट और आउटपुट टैक्स डिफाइन. तो हम लोग हमारे एक्सपेंस एंड रेवेन्यू लेजर्स के लिए टैक्स असाइन कर लेते हैं. उसके लिए हम जाएंगे FS00 50000. click on change button, click on control data and enter here tax category. Okay, our tax category is not, it is for display. We have to change it. Click on new session, SPRO, SAP Reference Implementation Guide, financial accounting, general ledger accounting, business transaction, document splitting, GL account posting, GL accounts. Okay, define screen layout for each transaction. Change control tax category optional. Come back again /NFS00. click on change button, then click on control data. Now our field is open. Tax category, select only input tax allowed and press enter. Then click on save button. Now we will assign for revenue ledger. Click on change button and enter tax category as a output tax. Plus press enter and then click on save button.